Hey, this is April with fallphototrips.com, and I'm doing a series of 31 tips to help you plan a great vacation, a great escape, or just a day away to get outside and enjoy the beautiful USA that we live in. So today's tip is all about a little bit about food and taking care of yourself. And there's a lot we can talk about there, and I've got a few different tips in this series, but today's tip is like packing to save yourself a little bit of money and making sure you can cover your breakfast. So some of you may have heard my tip about staying in a corporate hotel because they often offer a free breakfast. Well, it's free. It's included in your price. But what about staying in something that might be more simple, a mom and pop motel? Maybe sharing in an experience at a bed and breakfast. There's a lot of different places, and there's so many different choices. Maybe it's even in a hostel. But my point today is carry some things so you can make a quick breakfast for yourself. That way, if you want to get out early and make the most of your limited daylight hours, you're not waiting for someone else to make you breakfast. You're not trying to go find breakfast or stand in that line at Starbucks or McDonald's or whatever might be in the area, because sometimes you're not close to something like that that's going to be quick. A lot of small town diners have an incredible experience, but they are going to take a chunk of your morning hours where you might want to just head on out to the lighthouse or get out to the gardens early when the light is beautiful and the animals are out or the birds are circling around, whatever it might be. Some of the best light is early in the morning. So what I make sure to pack is I have to have my coffee. So I always pack some instant coffee. This one's from Sprouts. You can pick up their Starbucks makes these. You can find them on Amazon. Pete's, a lot of different brands make these little instant packets. Super simple. I know a lot of hotels do have a coffee machine or have coffee available, but I have been in some bed and breakfasts where they don't put the coffee out quite as early as I need it. So believe me, I always pack my instant coffee. And I also always pack a few packets of instant oatmeal. For me, that's going to make a quick, easy breakfast. I just need boiling water, a microwave, even just heating up a hot water. So those are a couple tips. I also always carry some protein bars. Excuse me, I already took a bite out of this one. They sell these at many places. This is the RX bar. This one, is fairly healthy. Read the ingredients to see which ones might be right for you. But I always have one of these when I'm flying because believe me, they're cutting down the services they offer even on your flights. And I don't want to get somewhere and be hangry. So just a few tips. Pack some instant things. Look for things that work for you, that are easy to mix up, maybe just with some water. Maybe grab something when you get to your location that you can have in your room, whether it's a protein bar, a cereal bar, something simple and quick, so you're not dependent on spending part of your morning chasing down breakfast when you could get that award-winning photograph. So that's my tip for today. If you have questions, want me to help you plan an itinerary, or would want to hop on one of my photography or women's tours, give me a call, go to my website, fallphototrips.com, and let's have a free consultation. Hope to see you out there and get outside and enjoy this beautiful USA. Take care.